my name is Julie, and we're going to be touring your 1,000 square foot apartment home. Your 1,000 square foot apartment home features this beautiful large living room, dining room combination. In this combination, you have beautiful natural light coming in, as well as a ceiling fan right here off of your upgraded kitchen. This apartment is the largest of our classic design. This apartment home features a beautiful upgraded kitchen with cherry rosewood cabinets, granite countertops, a luxurious backsplash, stainless steel appliances, a deep sink with a spray nozzle, gas cooker, and then as well as a built-in microwave. Off of your living room and dining room combination, you will have your first bathroom. Your first bathroom features a large full stand-up shower, comfort level, energy efficient commode, as well as upgraded flooring. Your first bedroom is a large spacious room with a lot of natural light that comes in to brighten it up. You also will have a half-size closet as well. One thing I love about this apartment home is that it has a full-size stackable washer and dryer, as well as additional storage for all of your laundry needs. Your master bedroom will feature this large open space. In this space, you're able to put either a king or queen size bed. You will also have these beautiful windows that bring a lot of natural light that really do brighten the space. Off of your bedroom, you also have a full-size walk-in closet.
You will also be able to enjoy our 24-hour fitness center and business center, comfortable social lounge with free Wi-Fi. We also offer a cabana-style expansive pool with a lifeguard, as well as a 24-hour lounging area with a TV, outdoor grill, and a fire pit. Also, we are open for in-person and virtual tours. Enjoyed your tour today? Apply now at morganproperties.com to lease your next home.